Unleash the power of nonverbal communication in the game of attraction. See, when it comes to winning over your crush or any woman, your body language carries more weight than you might think. It's like a silent conversation that's happening even before you utter a single word. But here's the thing. It's not just about knowing the importance of body language. It's about how you can use it to your advantage. Your body language can be a game changer, swinging the odds in your favor. It's your secret weapon that can potentially shift her perception of you, almost like a magic spell. But wait, there's more to this tale. A well-executed body language strategy doesn't just attract her, it could make her think you're into her too. And that, my friend, is how you set the stage for attraction. 1. The power of mirroring. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the most influential of them all? That could be you, my friend, with the power of mirroring. This subtle technique, mastered by politicians and sales gurus, can give you a unique edge in the game of attraction. Imagine you're standing like a soldier, hands on hips, feet shoulder-width apart. You catch her gaze and tilt your head the way she does. Now you're mirroring her, reflecting her actions as if in a dance. But here's the secret sauce. Let her know you're mirroring her. Point to your movements and say, like this? Make it a shared joke, a moment of connection. If she's uncomfortable, adapt. Make her feel at ease with your presence. And if she seems upset, that's your cue to change your stance to a more open posture. Maintain eye contact and hold it for 5 heartbeats. Repeat until her eyes shy away. That, my friend, is the power of mirroring. A silent tool to win her over. 2. Eye contact. Eyes, they say, are the windows to the soul. In the game of attraction, they can be your secret weapon. The trick? Using eye contact to make genuine connections. But it's not just about staring into her eyes. It's about knowing when and how to do it. Here's how to win this silent dialogue. First up, open eye contact. Like an open book, your eyes reveal your interest. Look directly into her eyes while maintaining a comfortable distance. It's like telling her, "You matter. I care about what you're saying." Then there's closed eye contact, the kind you use in intimate conversations. It's like whispering a secret just through your eyes. Imagine you're having a heartfelt chat with her, and you close your eyes for a moment. That brief pause builds a world of intimacy between you two. Next, we have gazing. It's like appreciating a beautiful painting, only the painting is her. You look at her, but your eyes don't lock. It feels like she's a part of your world, yet a comfortable distance away. Soft eye contact works similarly. You look into her eyes, but your gaze is gentle, downward, and comfortable. It's like she's a calming part of your surroundings. Now, quick glances or speeding up happens when you're feeling self-conscious. It's like stealing glances at a captivating book cover in a busy bookstore. Lastly, eye contact while fidgeting. This is your get-out-of-jail-free card when you're feeling overwhelmed. A quick look away, a brief moment of respite. It's like taking a breather during a gripping novel. So remember, eye contact isn't just looking. It's a language of its own, and when used wisely, can tell her a story that words can't. 3. Fight the fidget. Picture this, a man, twitching and squirming, unable to stand still. What does that say to you? If you're like most, you'll probably think he's anxious or lacks self-control. Not exactly the first impression you'd want to make when trying to attract the ladies, right? Contrast that with a man who moves with purpose. His actions slow, deliberate. He's like a panther stalking its prey, each movement calculated, precise. It's not a common sight, and that's why it's so captivating. Think of James Bond. Ever seen him fidgeting around? I bet not. When you move with intention, you're sending a message. It says, "I'm comfortable. I'm in control." It's like you're a maestro, and your actions are the symphony, each one contributing to a larger, intriguing masterpiece. It adds a dash of mystery that's irresistible. But remember, there's a fine line to tread. Slowing down doesn't mean becoming a sloth. The goal isn't to look like you're living in a slow-motion replay. So maintain a balance, fellas. Slow and steady, but not too slow. 4. How to stand tall and look confident. You're stepping into a new scenario, and confidence is key. It's like walking on a tightrope. You don't want to appear overzealous, but you can't afford to seem timid either. How do you strike that perfect balance? Here's the secret. First, be genuine. Wearing a mask of pretense is like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. It just doesn't work. So be yourself, flaws and all. Next, stand tall. Imagine you're a skyscraper, towering above the city. Even if butterflies are doing somersaults in your stomach, show the world your strength. Don't forget to smile. It's like a yawn, utterly contagious. It not only lifts your spirits, but also puts those around you at ease. Engage in the conversation. Make eye contact. It's like giving them a silent nod of acknowledgement, saying, "I value what you're saying." Introduce yourself to strangers. A handshake can be a cool breeze on a hot day, refreshing and welcoming. It shows you're genuinely interested in them. Lastly, don't be the loudest in the room. Laughing too hard or speaking too loudly can be like a foghorn in the quiet night, disruptive and attention-seeking. Let your confidence do the talking. Remember, confidence isn't about being the center of attention, but about being comfortable in your own skin. So stride in, stand tall, and own the room. 5. Enter her personal space. Let's talk about personal space, gents. It's an invisible bubble we all carry around us, and it's a powerful tool when it comes to attracting women. You see, a man who isn't afraid to gently and respectfully enter a woman's personal space, that's a man who knows what he's about. But hold on a second, this isn't about getting all up in her grill. That's not the vibe we're going for. Instead, it's about showing her that you're comfortable being close, making her feel at ease. Think of it like a dance and you're leading. A light touch on the hand, a playful poke, even a friendly hip check. These are the moves that say, "I'm confident. I'm not afraid to be close." It's surprising how much these simple gestures can communicate. Now remember, it's a dance, not a wrestling match. Start easy. Maybe comment on her bracelet or ask about her phone case. Touch these things lightly, not her, at least not at first. It's all about warming up the dance floor, making her comfortable with your presence. Because in the dance of attraction, respect and comfort are key. 6. Unroll your shoulders. Here's a fascinating fact. Did you know that nearly 65 million Americans hunch over their computers for hours each day? But when it comes to attracting the ladies, it's not just about avoiding neck cramps and backaches. Imagine this. You're in a room, shoulders slumped. You might feel perfectly at ease, but to others, it's as if you're a turtle retreating into its shell, seeking refuge from the world. It might give off the vibe that you're overwhelmed by those around you. But here's the good news. You've got a simple fix at your fingertips. Imagine there's a string attached to your spine, pulling you up, straightening your back and rolling your shoulders back. It's as if you're a puppet, and a puppeteer above is tugging at the strings, making you stand tall. Yes, it might feel a bit odd initially, like a fish out of water. But stick with it, and not only will you strengthen your back, but you'll radiate confidence. And trust me, that's a sight that ladies find hard to resist. So remember, a straight back is a surefire ticket to showcasing your confidence. Alright, gents, you've got the tips now to master your body language. And remember, it's all about confidence, respect, and keeping things natural. Practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to put these tips to use. Body language is a silent conversation. Make sure you're saying all the right things. Until next time, stay confident and keep making those connections. If you like this video, then check out these related videos to see more and make sure to subscribe and leave a like.